hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So right now, Bitcoin just chopping sideways, not too much price action. It's very interesting. We're kind of just ranging. I'm thinking we actually come back up here and grab some liquidity around 122 to 123 and maybe even make another all-time high, at which point this would adjust the target here. I actually would prefer that if we could make a new high, maybe 123, 500, something like that. And that would then this would kind of like become a flat, and we could have basically a very similar target of us coming back down to 113, 114, and reloading. Kind of like the barrel, I guess, the gun, the cannon, and then setting us up for us to take off. And if we do end up, making another high, this could may either be a flat or it could mean a fifth wave, and then we're gonna get a larger correction too, right? Maybe deeper. We go even deeper, but I don't think that that's the scenario that I'm looking for here. What the scenario that I'm favoring is probably something like we rally up. Where's my pen, my brush, and we start to lose momentum again, and we come back down. Grab all more liquidity, and then come back up, and then we continue the uptrend because the weekly is still very bullish, right? The weekly is bullish, and everything's open. Monthly is bullish, so it's still looking very, very bullish overall on the bigger picture. Yeah, we got the down sloping trend line on the monthly, but it looks like the monthly still has a ways to go. So we got more months of bullishness, in my opinion. I think what's happening is we're just reloading, right? We're just reloading the the market here, and you can see green money flow on the 4 hour is definitely struggling. Same on the 1 hour. So 1 hour's in and out of the green and the red, kind of just sideways. And then when you take a look at the daily and the 12 hour, you're not getting too much, too many signals to say that we're going to start pumping. In fact, we actually got a big sell signal on the last candle. Yeah, that's about it. Other than that, the market hasn't been doing too much. S&P making new all-time highs though. The S&P is making new all-time highs, but the market, Bitcoin kind of just doing not too much. It's very boring. And if you guys again want to join the Discord, the link's in the description. And if you guys want to see my trades, we closed a huge winner recently, up over 185%. It was a massive win inside the Discord. Yeah, we got stopped out on a few other ones, right? It took a stop on my AVAX trade, but that's okay because we made it all back, right? And we continue to make it back, and the strategy works, and we're outperforming Bitcoin year to date. All right, peace.